So I just got back to my house, and I think it's a good time that I let you guys in on something really exciting that I've been working on for Kylie Cosmetics. I have been working on a brand new lip kit that I think you guys will die. Okay, so this is a brand new formula lip kit, my Velvet liquid lipstick. These are amazing. I did these for my girls who don't really love a matte lip. Alright, I have been wearing these non-stop. I'm launching with 4 very neutral shades: Charm, Harmony, Dazzle, and Rosy. Alright, here they are. Super smooth and creamy. They don't dry though, guys, but they're definitely not glossy.